concentrator. And there's not a lot of parts involved here, the way we do it. This bracket here is going to mount right here. And we're going to take a bucket, we're going to take it and lay it up on that bucket. We're going to drill some holes right there to mount that on that bucket. And we can adjust that angle just like that to get the angle we want on this box. The bucket doesn't have to be perfectly level because you can do this here. And the other thing is, if it's a little bit sitting on a real crooked spot, you take you a penny or a nickel or something, put it right here, and that's where you can make up for the bucket sitting real crooked by putting something there. Then when you clean up, it'll be in your bucket most likely because you're going to drop it in there. You're going to forget about it when you take this off, and it'll be in the bucket. That happens every time. So let's stick these on to be easier to see what we're doing. Now, I do these like this. Put the wing nut in on the inside. The reason I do that is because when you put this thing on the bucket, you don't want to lose your adjustment. So the adjustment where we got the slides right here, these slides, we're going to make those, and once we set it, we're not going to move that. But to take it off and clean it, we're going to take these two off and just lift it off the top. So when it's ready to come off, we take that one and that one out, and you just lift right out of there and be clean. And just like everything else, tip it on a 45 and wash it. This all goes in the tub. Found on these is you want to move down here and you want to drill these holes. Where you see right here, I want to drill these holes just right above that bell on a Lowe's bucket. And it's different on different buckets, but you got to kind of figure out how far you want to go. But you want to be able to go to your furthest point down by putting the holes low, and then when you come up, you can adjust up from there. So this is where we're going to go as low as we can get it. So we're going to line up right here. And we're going to drill a hole right through there. I said we weren't. That's a tough bucket. I got them too. I got them right under the rings. Darn it. Yep, I done it. I told y'all where to drill them, and I drilled them too low.
That just gives you an overflow.
Well, we can put an overflow hole in it too, down a little lower. It don't need to be that. Oh, that's another thing. When you put an overflow in these buckets, don't make the mistake of putting that overflow way down low. Because what you'll find if you put it way down low is it'll turn over. Or you'll have to put a big rock in it to keep it from turning over. So we're going to drill a hole way up here so it'll hold a lot of water. That's just the better way to do it, I think. You see right there's our catches. We'll slide that right down on there like that. No, not quite like that. Like that maybe. Adjust it, get it just where you want it, leveled out, and you finish tightening the bolts up. And it's set up, ready to go. Now, it's a little tippy right now because it doesn't have any water in it. But we're going to take and drill a hole to drain the water out, and it doesn't matter where, but I always usually try to put it kind of on this side over here, so when it's running back, you can set it in the tub and catch it. So we're going to take it and put a hole right about right there. Okay, got it'll be ready to rock. And that's all you got to do. When you get ready to take it off to clean, you take these two off, pick it up, you take it and lean it over a gold pan, turn the valve back on with the water running through it, shake it, lean it over on an angle, and everything runs down the edge right into your pan and you're done. So, simple as that, guys. Same thing. Gonna be fun getting them on there without some hot water. So, yeah. But we'll get it. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to a bucket concentrator. After that, you just watch the video on how to operate it. Later.